guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm outside right now. It's a gorgeous day. I'm in Florida, so it was supposed to rain today, but it ended up not raining. My boyfriend is with his friends, like literally right over there, and they're fishing. So I was like, you know what, let me just take this time to make this video since tomorrow's gonna be my 2 weeks since I did my locks. So let's get straight into my update. So first things first, I noticed compared to from this set to my last set, my hair doesn't have a scent, or it has a scent of hair, if that makes any sense. It's really weird. Like I keep smelling my hair. I'm like, this is odd that my hair smells like hair. So what I've been doing, because last time I had my locks, I was able to spray like leave-in conditioners and stuff in it that I diluted. But this set, I don't want to put anything in my hair for real. So I've been using a spray bottle with lavender oil and tea tree oil. I do like those two scents, but I did notice that it didn't linger. So instead of doing that, I finished at, it was a small little travel size. So instead of that, now I'm using orange, lemon, and grapefruit oil in my spray bottle. And that's giving it a scent more than the tea tree oil. So I haven't had any scalp issues. I know that a lot of people who had started the Microlocs had like a very itchy and dry scalp, but that hasn't been the case for me. I have been oiling my scalp only after I washed it. So I've washed my hair twice so far because I wash my hair every week. And so after I wash my hair, I get my oil. I don't use like the little nozzle to put it directly to my scalp. I use my fingers. So I put it on my hand and like work it through my scalp. So it's not putting too much oil, but it's like enough to give my scalp some moisture or whatever. So I only use oil on my scalp, and then I spray my hair with the water oil mixture and use shampoo, and that's really it for our products. So I have interlocked my nape a couple days ago, and they were slipping really bad. So when I take a shower, I put my hair into a bun, and of course the water is gonna, like when I'm rinsing off my body, the water hits the back of my hair. So in order to, I don't like to use a hair cap or shower cap because it never fits over my whole entire head. So I just put my hair into a bun, like a top knot bun. And so my back row had a lot of slippage. So I interlocked my back row, and that's it. So far, I'm waiting until 4 or 5 weeks to interlock my whole entire head. I'm going to be filming a morning and night routine after this video because it's super simple. Literally, that video is probably gonna be 5 minutes because it's just super quick. So I'm really loving the low maintenance of this. I know that my retie is gonna take a long time, but I'd rather have that than, having to do my hair every single day or every couple of days. It's weird having hair on my shoulders because my last set, I told you guys that my hair was like here-ish. It wasn't, especially towards like 7 to 8 months, my hair was shrinking a lot. Sorry, it looks like they're catching a fish. Yeah, it looks like my hair was shrinking a lot, so it wasn't touching my, it wasn't grazing my shoulders anymore. So it's still kind of weird having hair that's, touching my shoulders, because like when I put on a backpack or something, I have to make sure my hair is out the way so my straps don't snag on my hair and stuff. So and that's really it. There hasn't really been any updates. I've just been wearing my hair for the most part down. I did do this little style today, half up, half down. I do put my hair in like high ponytails when it's like really hot, but other than that, I really haven't been styling that much. I've been spritzing my hair every couple days with a water oil mix, but I haven't really been doing much. It's been really chill. So yeah, that's all I have for right now. This video ended up being really short. I thought it was gonna be a little bit longer, but hey, it's whatever. Yes, I'll give you guys another update when I hit 1 month, and I should be interlocking probably at 1 month or a little after, so I'll show that video as well. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys are staying safe in this quarantine. I know that Georgia just opened up. What is that? I know that Georgia just opened up the state basically again. My friend lives in Atlanta, so she's like, yeah, I had to go to the store to get some medication, and it's like crazy. Walmart is crazy. Please stay inside. I know the businesses that they're trying to open right now are more geared toward us, hair salons and what's it called, barbershops and stuff. So just stay inside. Don't go outside. That's true. Okay, I'll catch you guys in another video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.